Having a new baby is a lot of work, but having twins is double the responsibility. New parents Jeff and Melissa Light had twins, and they were born 8 weeks early.
Initially, the doctors had told us because they were twins that they probably would come early. We came way early. We were at 32 weeks, so she was pretty early.
Before the babies were born, Jeff was right there in the delivery room with Melissa.
I was just there, kind of a calming effect, I hope, and she was in a lot of pain, as I'm sure everyone knows. And we just talked about, this is the last moments of just me and you. Pretty soon it's going to be the four of us. And before I knew it, they wheeled her away.
Once the babies are brought home, the new dad has a big role in helping out the new mom.
Initially, the feeding was frantic with two. They were always hungry, and there were a lot of diapers to be changed. Her mom was here with us, and between the three of us, we kind of tag teamed both of them and got through it.
Okay, besides feeding, what else were you able to help Melissa out with?
Well, we had a lot of doctor's appointments. We did have to go back and forth to the hospital quite frequently, so thankfully I was able to get out of work and drive her back and forth. And just, the nighttime feedings, she nursed, but I still got up with her every night at 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, just to be there to rock one while she fed the other.
There is a lot of risks involved, such as breathing or feeding problems when your baby comes early.
When the babies first came, of course, there's breathing issues. Luckily, both Kyle and Madeline were fine in that aspect, but they did have jaundice. Their bilirubin levels were high, so they had to have the special lights at the NICU for a while to counter-effect the bilirubin buildup in their livers. And that lasted about 2 weeks, but after that, things smoothed out and then we were able to bring them home.
Bonding is still extremely important, even if your baby is in the newborn ICU for any amount of time.
They were in the special care unit at Faxton St. Luke's for about 3.5 weeks.
The NICU takes great care of your baby and offers support for those parents whose babies came early. Healthy Beginnings, brought to you by the birthplace at Faxton St. Luke's Healthcare.